Hi everyone. Welcome to Aries Leads. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Chrome extension. So, let's begin. First, log in to our website. After log in, you will see all of our amazing products in a single dashboard. Now you have to click on Extract LinkedIn. After that, click on Download the extension. Use WinRAR or any other software to unzip that zip file. Next, click on Chrome. Click on three dots, you'll see More Tools. Click on More Tools then Extensions. Now, click on Load Unpacked. After that, you've to select that Chrome extension folder. You can see the Chrome extension has been installed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.